Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Klarna on Uber Eats. First, open the Uber Eats app on your phone. Browse through the restaurants or grocery stores and add the items you want to order into your cart. Once you are ready, tap on the checkout button to continue. On the checkout screen, look for your current payment method. Tap on it to see all available payment options. In some regions, Klarna is already integrated directly into Uber Eats. If you see Klarna listed under payment methods, select it. Sometimes it may appear under other cards and pay later options, or through Apple Pay depending on your device. After selecting Klarna, continue to the next screen. Klarna will now ask you to choose a repayment option. You may see choices like Pay in 4 or Pay in 30 days. Pick the option you prefer and then authenticate the purchase using your phone's security method, such as Face ID, fingerprint, or passcode. Once completed, confirm your order and your payment will be processed through Klarna. If Klarna does not appear in the Uber Eats payment options, there is another method you can use. Open the Klarna app and go to the Wallet section. Tap on Choose Store next to the one-time card option. Search for Uber Eats and select it. Klarna will then generate a virtual one-time card. Copy the card details and go back to Uber Eats. Add this card as a new payment method, then complete your order as normal. After confirming the payment, your Klarna payment plan will begin. Thanks for watching.